Hello and welcome to our channel. If you want to create a realistic product showcase avatar using Vidnoz AI, make sure to watch this video until the end. Step 1. Access Vidnoz AI. Click the link in the video description to open Vidnoz AI. Then sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're inside, you will see the interface, just like on the screen. Vidnoz provides many avatars you can use to create videos.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers.
However, if you want to create a more realistic product showcase video, you should use the avatars in the lower section. Step 2. Choose an avatar and upload your product. I will select the avatar of the girl in the pink outfit as an example. Click on her image frame. Next, upload your product image by clicking Add My Product Image. Then merge the product with the avatar by clicking Merge Product with Avatar. Wait a few minutes, and Vidnoz will generate two combined images. Choose the one that looks the most natural. Step 3. Create a product avatar from the image. However, this feature requires an account upgrade. I will upgrade my account and use the code TCK80 to get a discount. Then proceed with the payment. I will fast forward this part. Once the upgrade is complete, I return and continue creating the product avatar. This process may take some time. You can click Skip to bypass the waiting. The generated product avatar will automatically appear in the avatars list. Step 4. Add language and script. I will click on it to select the language and add the script. Here, I'm selecting the US English voice for the avatar.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to
Next, I paste the product introduction script into the text box on the right. Then click Generate and wait a few minutes for Vidnoz to finish creating the video.
If your skin looks tired, dull, or uneven, this little bottle might surprise you. True Skin Vitamin C Serum is one of the most trusted brightening serums on Amazon, with thousands of 5-star reviews. If your skin looks tired, dull, or uneven, this little bottle might surprise you. True Skin Vitamin C Serum is one of the most trusted brightening serums on Amazon, with thousands of 5-star reviews. Just a few drops each morning can help brighten your skin, fade dark spots, and even out your complexion naturally. The formula is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and works.
Note: you can also create a horizontal product avatar video by selecting an avatar and then choosing Landscape. Benefits: these avatars allow you to showcase products just like a real person, without hiring a model, helping you save a lot of cost. If you want to explore more ways to create product avatars, feel free to check the comments section below. Thank you for watching.